This is the new installation of the OS 4000 ARM panels. The old style ARM panels had two clips that went to that bar. The hose connection is the same. Now the difference on the old chairs, we had a long bolt that went here and here. Also a 10mm bolt that went here and here that you use this with. Now the new ARM panel is a lot easier. It has one clip for the arm, same hose connection, except we're going to use a small screw that's going to be applied in the front. And on the back, there's a prefixed bolt that's going to fit snug right onto here. Just like that, small bolt is going to go in the front. This is the new installation of the OS 4000 ARM panels. The old style ARM panels had two clips